Hey, what's going on, Boys and Girls Club? Coach Mohar back with another triple play body physical activity, and today I'm going to be teaching you a swinging tutorial. So last week in my lache tutorial, I taught you a very basic swinging technique of just bringing your knees up anytime you're going forward. And whereas this works, it's a very basic and easy form compared to other versions that work better. This isn't something that you have to be physically gifted and able to do. Anybody can do this if they just understand momentum and physics and the technique in order to swing properly. So when you have a rope, this rope is you, and in the middle of the rope is where your hip is. It's where your hip connects to your body. So your body is on 3 different joints: your top, your hip, and your bottom, your feet. This is where your feet are. So when you swing, what you want to do is you want to pull your hips into the air, and then you want to let go and watch your feet. As you can see, your feet will automatically, naturally kick forward, creating a swinging motion. So putting this into motion, this is sort of a do and don't of swinging. You don't want to just try and move only your feet, because this isn't going to help you swing better. It'll get you a little bit of swing, but in order to really swing, you have to get your hips involved. So this is how you should swing, using your hips. As you can see, using your hips generates a lot more speed and momentum, allowing you to swing higher, easier. Do not use just your feet or your knees or your legs. Make sure to use your hips. As you can see, not a big swing going. And this is what it looks like when you use your hips and go backwards on the back of your swing in order to naturally kick your legs forward. This is a don't. And this is a do. So when you start learning how to get a bigger swing, you'll see that gravity naturally wants to take you off of the bar. This is your G-force pulling you away from the bar. It's trying to rip your hands out of the bar so you can go flying backwards or forwards depending on which way you're going at the time. So what you want to do to counter this is when you're on the bar and you got a big swing going, you want to let go of the bar and immediately re-grip. This technique is called a re-grip for a reason. It's so that you can get a better grip. And this will let you stay under the bar a lot longer than normal. When you get good enough, you'll learn how easily you can really generate good momentum just by kicking up immediately, and you can get a really big swing right off the bat. So when you get a big kick, of course a small kick, naturally, if you only kick sideways, you're not going to go any higher than sideways, and this is the biggest swing you're going to get. But when you do get a big kick, it's basically the equivalent of putting it from sideways all the way up here. And of course, if you just let go, the swing will just fall. But if you hold, which your hands are, and you keep your body straight, then this is the kind of swing you will generate. As you can see, the swing is a lot greater than it could be. If you get your hips up, then naturally, you can just follow through. And this is what it all looks like in motion. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great day. Make sure you learn how to swing.